A silverback gorilla is the largest and strongest primate on the planet. His mighty chest beat travels nearly a mile, even through dense jungle. A warning to other males. Keep away. Meet Macumba, one of the world's best-studied lowland gorillas, with one of the most impressive legacies of any silverback. He's lived and ruled far longer than most males do. But now, at the ripe old age of 40, his most powerful days are behind him. The truth is, Macumba is past his prime, so he'll have to rely on more than size and power to remain king of the jungle. Gorillas share 98% of our DNA, and like us, they live in tight-knit groups. There's not much peace for Macumba with a family like this. One awkward adolescent, 2 toddlers, always up to no good, and an adventurous 6-month-old who needs constant watching. Macumba's 2 females are on his back too. Mothering is such a handful. They need a dad who does more than just show off. Macumba must prove he can still protect and provide, or they'll abandon him for a younger, fitter male.